the other part is another Google thing is Google actually has now integrated Google Assistant with Xbox. And this is one of the several different assistants that are on Xbox. Cortana obviously is on Xbox, and which is Windows's assistant. And then there is also Alexa, which is also on Xbox. So you get your gambit of assistants that you want to use on the Xbox. I think it's kind of nice that they're kind of opening up. What?
I'm thinking about Bixby. Is Bixby there?
Bixby, I don't believe is on there, but it
like
wouldn't
it
be.
Matters.
Yeah, I wouldn't be shocked if you hear an announcement from it soon, though, because they did partner with Samsung on their Windows 10 devices, because Samsung phones right now can sync. You can actually see remote view your Samsung phone on your Windows computer.
Bixby's from Samsung, right?
Yeah.
And is it still as inaccurate as it was?
Yeah, it's still pretty terrible.
Okay, moving on. It's nice, though, to know that Xbox has brought the Google Assistant.
Yeah, I would be happy if they kind of did away with Cortana. Cortana was a pretty cool idea.
Which one's Cortana?
Cortana is Windows' assistant.
Oh.
And it was like, when I first heard of it, I thought it was pretty cool, because Cortana being the AI from Halo.
Oh, I was gonna say Cortana is a better assistant name than Alexa, because having Alexa as your name, like I literally know multiple humans named Alexa, and those people. And if you have a friend named Alexa, why would you want that as your? It's kind of dumb, in my opinion. Moving on.
Yeah, but I would be okay if Windows kind of dropped Cortana and just used Google Assistant.
Yeah, no, I would be as
but
well.
they do seem to be a lot more open, like being a more open platform.